Sync up to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth?
Yes.
That thing looks like a Segway. What is that, anyways?
Just Segway.
Segway Steve.
Is that a holder for the thing?
What is it?
Is that a holder, Daddy?
Yes.
Yes, I got it. It's a Roomba before the pool. Oh no.
Can I bring Max out?
No, turn it off. You have to throw it in the pool, in the water first.
Throw it in?
Can I bring Max out?
Yeah, sure. Just throw it in there. Yeah, throw it. It's floating.
It's floating.
It's a Roomba made for the pool.
What are you happy?
If I drop this, oh no.
Maya, I let Rex out. Maya, make sure Rex doesn't go in.
Okay. There's Rexy.
Don't drive it into
Yay, the Roomba's on the floor.
Oh.
I'm gonna call it a Roomba for the pool. Because that's basically what it is.
Oh, there it goes.
It's on?
It's on?
No.
Yes, sir. Now it's going to learn the pool.
Is it going back and forth?
It's going to learn the pool.
Is that always good? How long does that take?
I have no idea.
Okay, but you're not good. Might be worse.
It's a Roomba for the pool.
Did you see that?
Watch.
It's
What's that
gonna
piece of, like,
clean
toy
all
in there?
that.
Oh, no, it's about all the things.
What?
It will climb the wall.
That's awesome.
What?
It'll climb the wall. Oh!
What?
Wait, what? It's not climbing the wall.
Yeah, because it just got off.
Get that over there.
Is
Say
that a
what?
piece of metal down there?
Yeah.
From what? Oh, from the thing? What? I
Oh,
think.
shoot. I should try to get that.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, it's
It's
cool.
Yeah, it's gonna get in the filter.
Well, I don't want it to jam up anything.
It cleans it up.
This is the thing. Holy shit. How are we gonna get that in the backyard?
We're going to take 4 of us.
Me, Maya, and you. And you.
It's a Roomba for the pool.
A Roomba.
Hey, but why are you wearing my cat stuff?
It's a wolf.
It's a cat.
Okay.
But you can't, but you can't put the tail on because it'll rip your skirt. God, I hate dresses.
Are you?
Is it gonna just climb the steps?
Oh yeah.
I want to see it climb the
It
steps.
says it cleans stats, but I
Climb
don't know if
the
it's
steps.
gonna get how good.
It's doing it.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh my gosh!
Oh, yeah.
This thing is amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
It's like it says broccoli.
Oh, you never know.
Oh my god.
You can
made
go back down
bubbles.
now, Roomba.
Don't fail us now.
I gotta read the instructions properly.
Go.
Did I read the instructions
Come,
properly?
come. Oh, it's going back down.
This thing's amazing.
What are you doing? Are you cleaning with the
How many more
Roomba?
pieces are down there? Well, you still gotta go in there and take the hooks off.
Daddy's cleaning with the Roomba.
Yay, it's a Roomba for the
Cleaning
pool.
With the net. With the Roomba.
Hey.
That doesn't even make sense.
It's a Roomba for the pool.
Roomba for the pool.